And good morning, beautiful people from Sofia, Bulgaria.
Today we are leaving the city of Sofia and we are actually going to head to those very ominous looking mountains behind us. Our first challenge of the day is actually trying to get to the rental car company that we have rented a car for the next 2 days, and then we are heading into the mountains.
So we are going to the Boyana Waterfall
to do some amazing adventures today that are going to get us out of this city life and into a bit of nature.
All right, let's get a taxi.
Maybe. Ah, yay! Thank you very much.
All right, car done.
We got the car. It was a very smooth and easy process.
Yeah.
And now we need to get petrol because it's only half full. Get snacks.
Whatever that is, I'm interested. It's like 40 cents. Grab three of those, some chippies, fruits. Yeah.
And go to the mountains.
And some manual. Great.
Down. Finally made it out of Sofia and we have arrived at Boyana. We've come to the very outskirts of that town and we are doing a hike to the Boyana Waterfall. I'm puffed already.
Yeah, this is a steep hill suddenly. Just started. Jackie said it should be 2 hours, so. This is quite the hike. Look at this. This is what we're dealing with here.
It's quite the hike.
This is quite the hike. Get that fitness.
Oh my gosh, it's so picturesque.
Ooh, this is steep. All those pastries, all those croissants, all those pain au chocolat, all those beers, all this rosé. You get it.
To give you guys an idea about how steep this trail is, we've done 1.63 kilometers and our pace is 17 minutes 21 per kilometer. So we've been getting very slow. I think a normal walking pace is like 11 or 12. So definitely going much slower because of the steepness, but it's incredibly beautiful. Wild. I'm ducking underneath a tree right now. Wild and rugged, and so far it's been an amazing hike and we haven't even gotten to the reward at the end yet, so looking forward to that. Max, he's always ahead of me, always faster, stronger, better than me at all sporting activities, but he always pushes me, always wants me to do my best, and always encourages me.
You got this.
So nice.
Beautiful.
This must be crazy at the beginning of summer when all the snow is melting.
Yeah.
You were right, man. That wasn't the waterfall. That's the waterfall.
Beautiful.
So we finished our hike at 2.73 kilometers and just under an hour to get here. It's definitely a challenging hike. It's not a trail.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's a long 2.3 some kilometers, but it's very steep.
Yeah, and rocky and uneven, and there is a trail obviously, but not like a smoothed out one.
Yeah, we're not the fittest, but it's
we're
doable.
Not the not fittest either.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's 1 o'clock now and we still have a 2-hour drive up into the mountains. So we're gonna head back down, stop somewhere for lunch and head to our, hopefully, where we'll be sleeping tonight. We haven't actually booked it, so. There's lots of weird little trails.
I got lost.
And Max just takes them.
I got lost as well.
5.9 kilometers and 2 hours later, we're done.
I got 4.42.
But he took shortcuts, so mine's the actual path, I think. Wow. So pretty much our whole hike down, we were starting to hear some thunder rumbling. So there's quite clearly over in this direction a storm brewing, and that just happens to be the direction that we are heading in up the mountain to stay somewhere that we haven't actually booked. So we're not 100% sure if we have accommodation, but we're gonna head out the mountain into the storm and try and stay at the Rila Monastery. So the Rila Monastery is a monastery, but they actually have kind of like dormitory style rooms, some with private bathrooms, some with shared. And yeah, we just thought it would be a really interesting place.
Let's head into the storm. You know when you travel and you just end up stopping in random restaurants sometimes? I think we found one because this one is a goodie. It's got
really nice.
A tree right there. And it's affordable.
Alright, and
you know you have a good woman when you send her to the ATM and not only does she get money, but she also comes back with 2 coffee.
I got some coffee.
Well done. Look at this beauty, black gold. Alright, now we're gonna hit the road.
For both of these coffees, $1.40 lead.
What? So 70, yeah, 70.
Like 80 cents. Anyway,
Anyway, eventually we gotta leave and make it to that goddamn mountain. Little Bulgarian villages. Oh, not so little. Here.
This is the second time Max has taken his pants off in front of a religious building.
Et voilà. Alright, we made it to the monastery. Looks really pretty, guys.
It was also just such a beautiful drive, so we're gonna go and ask now if we can actually stay here for the night, and yeah, hopefully they have a spare room for us.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
cool.
it's so nice. It's just leaves like falling down from these epically green trees.
This is something we have to stay the night. We got the room.
Okay. It has a very big stop sign right here, so we hope we're going the right way. We got a room, and
50 left.
for 50 left, which is about 37.50 Australian dollars. And we're on the second floor with this amazing view. Look at this. This place is really big and they're not showing us where our room is, so we're kind of just looking for it. Oh wow. Okay. This is it. This is us for the night. We have a bathroom. Nice. Founded in the 10th century, the Rila Monastery is regarded as one of Bulgaria's most important cultural, historical, and architectural monuments. As you can see, if you do stay in Rila Monastery, you do get access that the rest of the public doesn't get, and you can access the upper levels. Rila Monastery has such unique architecture, and honestly, we didn't see anything else like this our entire time in Bulgaria. It is completely encased by the surrounding Rila Mountains. So obviously we got our room in the monastery, and the doors to the monastery close at 9 p.m. so we can't get back in. It's only 6:30, so we got plenty of time. So we've just driven back down the mountain a bit to this restaurant with another amazing view. Everywhere on this mountain has amazing views. It's really, Bulgaria is just surprised me with how beautiful and stunning it is, and this mountain is just so serene and epic, and just there's something about mountains that just make you feel happy and calm, and I guess that's just being out in nature. Anyway, we're gonna have some food now.
We got a confession to make, guys.
Yeah, my dinner was less than $3. Max's dinner was $40.
So I made a mistake. I didn't understand what that meant, the 100 gram and the fish. So I thought the fish was a small fish for $3.50. But it was basically, you order fish and it's weighed, and then 100 gram is worth $3.50. Turned out that my fish was 450 grams, and I got 2 of them.
So he ate 2 fish, and you know, at the end of the day it was only $40. It's not going to turn us broke, but now we know for next time we order fish that it's by weight.
Yeah, so it's by weight. So I know Bulgaria is very cheap, but it's not $3.50.
We're just glad that he did this here in Bulgaria and not in France, because that would have been a very expensive mistake.
But it is a beautiful sunset. Flicker. Oh.